going to start with Chapter 7 Microsoft PowerPoint Part 1. In this video, we are going to study about features of PowerPoint, starting PowerPoint, creating a new presentation, adding text into a placeholder, applying a presentation using built-in templates, etc. So, let's begin. PowerPoint is a very powerful presentation program which is a part of Microsoft Office. It is very useful for students, professionals, business persons. It can present the information in a very beautiful manner. The presentation may include text, pictures, charts, audio, videos, animated special effects, etc. Let us see the features of PowerPoint. The first feature of PowerPoint is PowerPoint can present your ideas in a very beautiful and attractive manner. By using PowerPoint, you can present your ideas in a very beautiful and attractive manner. You can make your slides beautiful. The second feature is it can include various pictures, images. It can easily insert paint files, other images files with GIF, JPG, extensions, etc. In PowerPoint, you can easily insert paint files and other images also with GIF and JPG extensions. Students can make their projects in PowerPoint. Student अपने projects PowerPoint पे बना सकते हैं. Teachers can teach their lessons to the students using PowerPoint. Children, using PowerPoint, teachers can teach their lessons to the students. Business persons can display their products to the people. PowerPoint presentations can be displayed on big screen. For example, you can give your presentation in front of audience on projector. Starting PowerPoint. Children, now we will see how to start a PowerPoint. PowerPoint can be started in the following ways. The first step is by double clicking the mouse on MS PowerPoint icon displayed on the desktop, or click Start button, click on All Programs, select Microsoft Office, select PowerPoint 2010. Look at this figure, children. First, click on Start button. This is the Start button. Click on All Programs and select Microsoft Office. This is the Microsoft Office. Select this Microsoft Office. Now select PowerPoint 2010. Microsoft Office, PowerPoint 2010. Click on this. Now PowerPoint window will be appear on the screen as shown in this figure. Children, this is the Microsoft PowerPoint window. It shows you a blank presentation named. Now creating a new presentation. In PowerPoint 2010, click the File tab and then click New option. Click Blank Presentation and then click Create option. Look at this figure, children. To create a new presentation, click on first File tab, then select New option. This is the new option, children. Select this new option. Now click Blank Presentation. This is the blank presentation. Click on this blank presentation and then click Create option. A new presentation with a blank slide will open in the PowerPoint window. Adding text into a placeholder. Look at this figure, children. This dotted border represents the placeholder that contains the title text for the slide. Adding text into a placeholder. To add text to a text placeholders on a slide, do the following. Click inside the placeholder and then type or paste text. Second step, to change the line spacing, do the following. Drag to select one or more lines of text for which you want to change the spacing. On the Home tab, in the paragraph group, click the dialog box launcher. Step 3, in the paragraph dialog box, on the Indents and Spacing tab, make any change that you want to alignment, indentation or spacing, and then click on OK option. The same steps I will explain you with the help of this diagram. Children, if you want to add text into a placeholder on a slide, do the following. First, click inside the placeholder. This dotted line is called a placeholder. Click inside the placeholder and then type or paste text. Then, to change the line spacing, do the following. Drag to select one or more lines of text for which you want to change the line spacing. After that, click on Home tab. This is the paragraph group. Click the dialog box launcher. This is the dialog box launcher, children. When you click on this dialog box launcher, a paragraph dialog box will be appear on the screen as shown in this figure. In the paragraph dialog box, on the indent and spacing tab, this is the indent and spacing tab. Make any changes that you want to alignment. You can change the alignment from here. If you want left alignment, select left alignment. If you want center alignment of text, click on center alignment. If you want to change the indentation, you can change the indentation from here. If you want to change the line spacing, you can change the line spacing from here. After that, click on OK button. This is the OK button. Click on this OK button. In this way, children, you can add text to a text placeholder. It's all for today. We will continue the same topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye.